everybody. We're going to show you how to impose this and run the job.
I was flipping through some channel there. See, oh, wait a minute. Okay.
You clicked on impose? Alright.
I like them. I said I like them.
12 by 18. Now you're going to switch it to booklet. Change the row and column to 2 by 2 VP booklet. Define so that it gives you crop marks. 0.07. Both times. Press OK.
I want to see it.
Now you're going to save it as a flattened PDF. Alright. Now you're going to go to Properties, Destination, Folder Shift Tray. You're going to select your tray, whatever tray it is. We're putting tray 3. Paperweight 5. Yours is whatever it is. Coated glossy. Now we're going to image quality best, text graphic best. Now we're going to go to finishing, output, wait, what does that say?
Face up normal.
Oh, face up normal order.
That's it.
Where did you tell it not to staple?
You don't have to tell it. It's not going to staple if you don't tell it.
Okay, he's going to say,
It's not going to staple. You have to tell it. It's all the way around.
okay, thank you, Nestor. Bye.